Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today how to freeze the top row and the first column in Excel. I've got an Excel spreadsheet here and it's a bit annoying when you're trying to type in some data and the first column has disappeared when you scroll across. Now of course if you go to the View tab and click on Freeze Panes, you can click on Freeze First Column and that will freeze the first column. But that doesn't help with the top row because when you scroll up and down you still lose the header top row. You can click on Freeze Top Row, but then it loses the settings for the first column. So when you scroll across, you lose the headers for the first column. So what you can do, click on Unfreeze Panes, then put the cursor where you want to freeze the panes vertical and horizontal, then select View Freeze Panes and Freeze Panes, and that freezes the top row and the first column. Then you can scroll about without losing any of your first row headings or your first column headings. You can actually put that cursor anywhere and freeze the panes at any point that you want if you've got larger headings or columns. And if you make a mistake, you can just click on Unfreeze Panes. I hope that was useful. Time for a coffee, Pulp Fiction styley.
God damn, Jimmy, this is some serious gourmet-ish. Me and Vincent here would have been happy with some tasteless freeze-dried choice. You're springing this gourmet-ish on us.